With the rising level of pollutions, the air around us is deteriorating day by day. This increases the chances of diseases like asthma, sinus, bronchitis, and many other breathing problems. The right to clean air is a fundamental right, yet, we rarely ever get to breathe clean air, especially in cities. Now, the present COVID situation brought forward the importance of oxygen to us. For those suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the desire for more oxygen can be a demanding one. Now, buying an air purifier to clean our ambient air seems like only wise option. But there are a variety of natural alternatives for increasing air quality that are beneficial for both body and mind. Even a modest amount of foliage might enhance indoor air quality, so why not add a few easy care plants to your living space? There exist some plants which can produce oxygen at night by taking carbon dioxide in the day and then carrying out a particular type of photosynthesis called crassulation acid metabolism. Here is a roundup of the best air purifying indoor plants using NASA's clean air study that will add a touch of color and clean air to your home. Stay tuned with me. First among them is spider plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest indoor plants to grow. Spider plant is known to improve the air quality by filtering out carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and benzene. It is a magnificent indoor plant for oxygen. It is also known for spreading happy vibes and helping with anxiety and stress management. These plants do not prefer hot and scorching heat as it causes their leaves to burn out. It is preferable to grow them in partial shade. Spider plant produces more chlorophyll than either variegated house plants, which means more oxygen production. Spider plants is safe for cats and dogs also. We did not find any evidence of spider plant toxicity to pets. Second in the list is Tulsi. Tulsi is also known as holy basil. It is native to India and mostly cultivated in Southeastern Asia. Keeping this plant in the house is known to bring good health and luck into the house. It is known for protecting the house from evil. Tulsi plant is known as queen of herbs and has several health benefits. You can cure common cold, headache, and stomach discomfort using its leaves. Tulsi is an oxygen generator which can give competition to best air purifiers in the world. Tulsi plant inside the house increases the supply of oxygen as it gives out oxygen 20 hours a day. It also absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide from the air. Next one is snake plant. The snake plant, otherwise known as the mother-in-law's tongue, is unique for its nighttime oxygen production. A hardy succulent mother-in-law's tongue is great houseplant for beginners and can survive in some of the toughest conditions. It is recognized by NASA for purifying the air and absorbing toxins like formaldehyde, nitrogen oxide, benzene, xylene, and trichloroethylene. It uses the crassulation acid metabolism process, which absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for the bedroom. But be careful, this plant's leaves are poisonous if eaten, so it's not a great plant to keep around children or pets. For one person, 6 to 8 waste level plants are recommended in an air sealed room. Next in the series is Areca palm. Known for absorbing harmful pollutants from the air, Areca palm is one of the best indoor plants for purifying the air. What sets Areca palm apart is its ability to purify the environment. It's placed in by removing dangerous chemicals such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Areca palm is not only known for purifying the air but also helps with the proper development of children and fetus. Keeping this plant in house helps with the strengthening of nervous system as well. The Areca palm does well in filtered light and needs to be watered often. For one person, 4 shoulder high plants should be sufficient. Next comes the aloe vera. Unlike most plants, it releases oxygen at night as well and suited for bedrooms and indoor environment. Aloe vera plants is best known to remove toxins from the air like aldehydes and benzene. It is often known as wonder plant as it has many medical benefits and is a known herb. Best placement is any windowsill or any well lit corner out of the way to avoid pricking. It mostly flourishes in a sunny atmosphere, and overwatering can damage its roots. The next in series is the weeping fig. Ficus plant, commonly known as the weeping fig, is a beautiful foliage air purifying plant. Grown most commonly indoors, the weeping fig can grow between 2 and 10 feet tall. Toxins removed by it are formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene. It prefers partial sun to full sun and regular watering. Quite common in interior landscaping, it is highly adaptable to limited light conditions. Next is the colorful option Gerbera daisy. As per NASA's clean air study, the Gerbera daisy also removes pollutants from air such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. They also release oxygen at night, just like the snake plant. This plant loves bright sunlight during the summer and spring, but in direct sunlight during the winter. This plant comes in a multitude of different sizes and colors. Orange, pink, yellow, and white are some of its common hues. If you try to use this as indoor house plant, make sure you have it in an area that has plenty of natural light. Next in the series is bamboo plant. These plants also possess the quality of releasing oxygen at night, provided that they are needed to be watered a lot. These plants are very easy to find and can grow well in many different lighting conditions. A grove of bamboo releases 35% more oxygen than an equivalent stand of trees. So as long as you have LED lights inside your bedrooms or living rooms, they can still give you adequate amount of oxygen at night. Lucky bamboos also are capable of providing a higher amount of oxygen in comparison of other types of plants. Your lucky bamboos function better inside bedrooms. Place them on top of your bedroom study tables. And last but not the least are devil's ivy or pothos, otherwise known as pothos or golden pothos. Devil's ivy is an easy to grow indoor houseplant that will fight off common household toxins. It is also called money plant simply because it has round, plump, flat leaves that might look like a coin. It adds instant color to any room with cascading tendrils and grows well in water pots or hanging baskets. It is an admirable indoor plant for oxygen and releases oxygen at night. It is mostly used as an indoor plant for filtering air and also cures sleep disorders. Toxins removed by it are benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. However, despite the benefits of its high purification rates, this plant is toxic to cats, dogs, and small children if its leaves are ingested. Money plant prefers indirect light and needs to be watered every week or so. For one person, 3 to 18 inches plants are recommended. So now I hope you will benefit from this knowledge. Thanks for watching.